I just grabbed a pair of stilts one day and I just jumped on and just started walking around. I got the hang of it right away. We were sanding, so I just grabbed a pair of stilts to be able to reach the top, and I just started working on them. I've been doing it for about 20 years now. It's pretty fun being up here. For me, it's always been cool, like being on stilts or just doing drywall in general. It's always been a cool job for me. It's a great advantage because you don't have to move around on ladders, on scaffolds. In average, you're saving like 2-3 hours a day. You just gotta walk straight, keep your balance, lift your legs, lift your knees. If you're not used to it, it feels heavy. You do get tired at the end of the day, so it feels pretty good taking them off. I like being in stilts. It makes me feel that I've accomplished something, that I'm like a pro at a trade, that I'm good at what I do.